Hope you guys are all well. This is a little bit different to my cooking videos, but I thought I'd share it with you because now that the restrictions are lifting, we don't need surgical masks, but it is nice to be able to cover your face, to keep the droplets to yourself. I've been wearing a scarf, but the scarf keeps falling and then I keep putting it back over my face and I feel like that's probably worse. Anyway, this is not a scientific or professional mask whatsoever, but if you want to just cover your face, then this is the way to go. A little disclaimer, I am making this video against the wishes of my kids because I think they find it a little bit embarrassing, but it is really very practical, and I think if it helped me, I'm hoping it'll help at least somebody else out there. Out of a pair of loose, they call them lounge pants here, but I suppose they would be joggers or track pants. I find the Jersey style are the best types. You can use a t-shirt, but this is great because they are going to be the right size. Like a smaller kid's going to have smaller joggers, so it'll fit their face. A larger person's going to have larger joggers. It's just already pre-measured almost for you. So what we need to do is we need to cut out squares, and then from the squares, we're going to turn them into circles, and then 2 little snips, and you're done. Let's start the timer. We can get a good square by folding it into a triangle like that. Okay, of course that's not going to be a perfect square, but that's all right. Cut the seam out. So we are going to take one of these squares. We are going to fold it like that. And simply just cut as best as you can a circle, just like that. This next cut gives you the piece that goes around your ear. So we'll start with 1/2 inch, go a little bit longer if the mask is too tight. You're just going to pull it. So as you do it, what you want to do is you want to have that fold going in on the inside. It just tidies it up a bit. Put your ear, loop, and then you can just fold in the bottom so it's a little bit tighter. I know, I feel silly, but it's the world we live. There you go. So that's simple, just like that. Let's cut the rest of them out. So there's 1 mask, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 masks, and a pair of shorts. I'll see you in the next video.